guys, it's K-Cola coming live from my shower to bring you a new awesome wash and go. This is an updated wash and go video. I'm so excited because I am the CEO of OrganiGrow Hair Co., OrganiGrow Skin Co., and OrganiGrow Life Co., and I love bringing videos to you guys. So stay tuned. Okay, right now my hair is in a bun because I pre-pooed, which I hope you guys are all doing consistently because pre-pooing is so important. So I'm gonna take her out of the do-do-do. I'm gonna take her. I also have in satin lined scrunchies. I pretty much only use these because look, no hair comes out. Yes, we're gonna have to do this in slow-mo. We're gonna wash my hair. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm washing my hair in like lukewarm water because you don't want it to be too cold to where it closes the cuticle, and you don't want it to be too hot to where it damages your hair. And I'm using the GrowPoo clarifying shampoo. My sign just fell. Say her name, Brianna Taylor. But I'm using the GrowPoo shampoo and I'm massaging it into my head for 2 to 5 minutes. I think a lot of you guys are not massaging the shampoo into your head long enough. And you're gonna do this 2 times. So I am on my second wash and I'm literally just massaging it into my scalp. I'm not going into the strands. But I'm definitely doing this for 2 to 5 minutes because that is super heat. And then give it a good rinse. Make sure you're rinsing very thoroughly. And then we're gonna do the GrowPoo Moisture Shampoo next. Because I kind of like to follow up my clarifying with the Moisture Shampoo. Just to add some hydration back in there. And some goodies, some good oils. And then I rinse it all out. And now I'm adding the GrowTein Deep Moisture Conditioner. I'm low porosity, but I'm using the Deep Moisture Condition because I had moisture overload, and so I needed to add protein to my regimen because I've only been using low porosity products for so long, and I was not getting any protein in my hair. So I part my hair into 4 sections, and I start at my ends, and I put the conditioner everywhere first, and then I part my hair and do the conditioning very gently. We're not trying to tug on our hair, and if you need to make more sections, please do so. Keep adding water, keep adding conditioner. You don't have to use a whole lot if you squeeze it in and you keep adding water, and you start from your ends and go all the way up. Definitely doing it in sections helps. Sometimes I'll finger detangle first, then I'll use the comb brush. Then I'm gonna wrap it up, and as you can see, I turn on my steamer, and I'm doing that for 20 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm using our OrganiGrow Lemon Scrub, which is amazing to keep my body nice and soft, hunty, okay? It smells good, it tastes good, you can use it everywhere. You can even scrub your lips, you can use it on your face twice a week, yes. Where did I go? What am I doing? Okay, so 20 minutes later, I have now deep conditioned because I let it sit in there with heat for 20 minutes. And so I'm gonna rinse this baby out. And again, lukewarm water. For me, lukewarm water because I'm low porosity. I don't rinse my hair with cold water because I'm trying to get these styling products in there, and my cuticles already lay flat, so it's super important for me to not rinse with cold water and close my already closed cuticles. So what I like to do, and this is super key for styling, is I part my hair into 6 sections. And I start at the bottom and I add a ton of water, and then I use the moisture milk and I literally run it through, and then I use the Den brush, and then the curling custard. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna keep adding water to your hair. You want your hair to be soaking wet. It's almost like a soup for your hair. And you wanna add the moisture milk and massage it in with your hands, and then use the thin brush and then the curling custard. And again, keep adding water, water, water. Water is the only thing that can moisturize your hair. So you're sealing all of that delicious moisture in with these wonderful nutrient-rich products. But you want to make sure your hair is so soaking wet that it sounds like mac and cheese. So guys, my hair is completely soaking wet. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna let it air dry like this for about 3 or 4 hours. So it takes my hair like all day pretty much to dry. This has been 4 hours later. It's still not dry. It probably won't get super big until tomorrow. I'm gonna pick it out. I'm gonna wear it in a pineapple tonight. But my hair is super moisturized. So this wash and go is gonna last me 5 to 7 days. My hair is still recovering from moisture overload. So your hair is probably gonna look 10 times better than mine. But if you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel and you click a like button, you'll get more wonderful videos from us. And if you leave comments, well, you can tell us what else you wanna see. Click that notification bell so that you can be notified every time we have a YouTube video. I hope this was really helpful for you guys because this new technique has helped me a lot. And as always, we are rooting for you. Happy